Welcome to this feature tutorial on iMBrace DocIQ, focusing on knowledge and databoard. We begin with field-by-field extraction prompts and setting up access control for your databoards. This ensures the right data is extracted and shared securely. Next, we'll look at contextual AI extraction with control and selection. You have granular control over what fields are managed and displayed in your databoard. DataBoards also offer extraction and storage with a matrix architecture, allowing you to manage complex, nested data like line items efficiently. Learn about databoard automation and deterministic control. You can set up workflows like automatic sale invoice extraction from OneDrive to streamline your processes. iMBrace provides a fully integrated knowledge drive with connections to cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive, or on-premise solutions. The Dynamic Knowledge Hub ties into cloud or on-premise storage for auto updates and control, keeping your knowledge base current and accessible. Finally, explore the Dynamic Knowledge Board with Auto AI knowledge updates, creating a constantly evolving resource for your team. Start your growth with iMBrace. Scan the QR code to learn more, and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.